Hey guys, so I just got this awesome camping folding chair and I'm excited to get it out of the bag and show you all about it and let you see for yourself just how great this chair is and just how helpful it can be for your life and how helpful it's going to be for mine as well. And so it does have this drawstring here that allows you to store it nice and easily. And it has the shoulder strap here so you can easily transport it. And that comes off, you can set that to the side. And here is the chair itself. Very sturdy, even these legs here. I've had some other ones in the past where the legs are real small and you can tell that they're going to break very easily. But these ones are a solid, I'd say, 1 inch in diameter. And so they're not going to break very easy. And you can definitely tell you're going to get a lot of use out of this. And so you can see here on the armrest, I love this feature that it does have these cup holders, both on this side and this side. So you can keep your drinks handy and secure in these, and you won't have any issues with them being on the ground and falling over. And then here on the side, it does give you this nice pouch if you'd like to put your cell phone or maybe a magazine or a book in here that you're reading. It has the big side here, and then it has 2 smaller pouches that are mesh, and you can put something smaller in here. I think this would be perfect for a phone. And then this one here unzips and zips, where you can store something that you would not want falling out and keep it nice and secure, even like a charging cord or something like that, maybe that you don't use all the time. And then on the back, you've got this extra pouch here where you could store, this would be perfect for a blanket for those cool evenings or mornings, that you can store in here, or you can easily put this little bag and roll it up. Store it in there, and you won't have to worry about the wind blowing it away. So here's the chair. I love it even while I'm sitting in it. It's very comfortable and convenient. It does have these 2 cup holders, and now that I'm sitting in it, I can tell this one is a little bit smaller. It'd be perfect for a can of pop, and this one's a little bit bigger. You could definitely fit like a Gatorade bottle in there, and that really makes it convenient depending on what you're drinking at the time. And it does give you easy and quick access to these side pockets here, and then even if you wanted to reach around and get something in this back pocket, you can easily do that. Like I said, very, very comfortable. You can feel that it's sturdy and it's not going to break, or you're not going to have any issues with it being on unlevel ground and causing any mishaps. Now this is rated up to 350 pounds, so that gives you a wide range, and it really makes it very versatile and functional. Not only is it stylish, but you're going to get a lot of good hard use out of this in the camping setting, as well as maybe even in your backyard. All right, so this really was very surprisingly sturdy, and I am going to get a lot of use out of it. I love it, and I think for the money, this thing really shines out in all the competition.